someone to save me. No.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your GRWM Melanin Goddess. Today, you guys, I am going to do a simple everyday makeup look. Like, I have people who've been asking me, telling me that they love my makeup, they love the finished product, but they don't have the time nor the patience to do what I do. I've always been telling them that whatever I do is just my choice. You don't have to do the extra. I am just extra boo-boo. So this video is for you. I'm just going to use concealers to do a full face glam. Very simple. So I hope you guys learned something from them, from this video. And my nails, guys, don't watch them. I'm about to take them off because I have an event to go to tomorrow, and I'm trying to get my nails and stuff done a little bit later on from this. So just watch this video and learn how to come up with a simple beat, a simple glamorous beat. Okay, stay tuned. Let me now prime my lids, you guys, with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm just going to prime it up in there, you guys, and use my Real Technique soft accent brush to blend it all out. Now I'm gonna go in to my Fenty Beauty Sun Stalker bronzer in the shade Mocha Mami, and I'm gonna take it, just throw the brush in, and I'm just going to do like so, you guys. And there's no one other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you. I think I said enough. You said you love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are. So as you can see, you guys, I am just blending it in a windshield wiper motion, you guys, and I think I'm gonna just leave it. No, I'm going to dip in the product a little bit more just to intensify the brown, and yeah, pretty much this. So there it is, you guys. And this brush that I'm using, guys, is from the LaRousse 5-piece brush set. I got this in my boxy this month for the month of September 2022, and now I'm going in with a clean brush, you guys, and just to blend out the edges of the product. So there you guys, there you have it. Now, you guys, I have a MAC Paint Pot, which is an eyeshadow primer, but I'm going to use it as a eyeshadow because I bought it. But guys, this thing looks so flipping good. Like, I mean, I cannot help it. It's so beautiful. Like, look at that gold. Look at it. Look at that gold. Beautiful. So I'm going to use it on my lids and whatnot right now, you guys. And oh, this brush, you guys, is the Luxie 206 tapered blending brush. Now I'm gonna go in with another, I think, a Luxie. Let me see which one this is. It's their 217 concealer brush. And I'm going to just dip it in the product like so, and pop it right there. See that look, you guys? See that? So there it is, you guys. Nothing too fancy. I'm just going to add some black liners, and that's it. Not liners, liner. So the liner that we're using today, guys, is the e.l.f. Expert Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Jet Black, and I'm going to use it to like draw a thin line.
It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. But if the sky would open up, you're staying home, you don't get out. You always used to love the rain, but LA changed you. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where your heart is fire. But baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees.
Now, guys, I'm going in with my e.l.f. Big Mood mascara, and I'm just going to put some on my natural lashes, because I usually do this before I put my falsies on. because I do not put mascara on my false lashes. Reason being, it lasts way longer. Oh god, it lasts way longer, you guys. So that's what I do. So now, you guys, the lashes are on, and we're just going to do the face part, the complexion products. We're just going to beat the face without going the extra mile. Okay, let me start off by priming my face with the Stella Brilliant Matte Primer, and I'm just putting a little bit because I mostly sweat in my T-zone. So like I said, I usually get oily in my T-zones, right? So this is where I focus the modifying primers and stuff, you guys. But like I said, don't watch the nail, because a poor people thing, poor people fed up, you know, type of thing. So there is a primer, you guys, on in full effect. Let me get this hair out of my face and continue the look. Guys, I'm going to just use this LA Pro Concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer, the orange shade, to conceal this spot on my nose. Just a little bit, you guys. I'm going to let it sit right there for a couple seconds before I blend it in. So there it is, you guys. It was sitting for a little bit. I'm just going to push it into the skin, like so. See, I'm going to use this She Glam Versatile Flawless Concealer in the shade Chestnut, and I'm just going to put some right here and some right here, you guys. And see, not too much. And I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place foundation brush to blend it out. Like, guys, you know what? Which foundation I am starting to love? The She Glam. What is it called? It's the She Glam foundation. I know they have more than one foundation, but I don't remember the name of it. But it's matte, guys. Like, yo, I wore it the other day and I'm so in love with it. You guys, I have their Flawless Concealer in the shade Fez and Fiji. So they're both lighter than me, guys, but I'm going to use Fez, and I'm not going to use too much of it. The foundation, the concealer, guys, is said to be matte and waterproof, long wearing. Okay, so it's long wearing, it's mattifying, and it's waterproof. So I'm just putting a tad bit, not too much, because it dries down fast. So I'm just gonna blend these out before I go anywhere else. And as you can see, guys, a little goes a long way. Like, you don't need much, and it does what it's supposed to. I'm gonna add a tad bit more here, a little bit there, and a little bit here. Not too much, guys. As you can see, I've just added a little bit because, like I said, it's way lighter, but a little does the trick. If you put too much, you're gonna be too light. And I'm not trying to be too light. I'm not trying to get rid of my melanin. So this is what I'm gonna do. Add a little bit on my nose. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. You see, just like a little drop in my forehead, and I am blending that out. See? Well, now that it has sit for a little bit, you guys, I'm just going to blend it out. See? Just blend it out, you guys. Bring some of it up back into my forehead. Sorry, you guys, I was looking down in my mirror. Now that that is done, you guys, I'm gonna go back in with my foundation brush just to blend out all lines, arch lines of demarcation, because we want our makeup to look like skin, or almost like skin. We don't want to look, you know, all patchy, you know, lines all over. You just want to blend out seamlessly. You guys, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer, the orange shade again. Put a little bit on the back of my hand, and this is what I'm going to use as my blush, you guys. So I'm going to use this brush to just pick it up, spray it out, and let it sizzle into the skin, you guys. And since we're doing sheen, guys, I'm just going to use this She Glam Insta Ready setting powder right here, you guys, because we're doing sheen, so might as well, right? I'm just taking up a little bit on the sponge, blowing off the excess. It's very essential, guys, that you guys learn how to blow. Blowing is very important in life. It's very important in makeup. It's very important in everything that we do. Learn how to blow. Just kidding, you guys. So as you can see, guys, I love it already. And my lips, you guys, I am going to use the Balsam lip pencil in the shade Creamy Chocolate, and I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit. I was going to use my She Glam pencil, you guys, but one of my babies came in and it's missing. On the other end, you guys, we have a little brush thing right here. Just using it to smudge out the product. See? Now I'm going in with my LYS lip in the shade No Boundary. And now to top it off, you guys, I'm going in with my Huda Beauty Silk Balm in the shade Icy. I'm gonna let it stay like that. And now I'm setting my face with my NYX Matte Finish Spray. So here is the finished look, you guys. You guys, I was going to take my top off and put something else on, but my daughter told me to keep it on, so I did, and I just added my nose rings, and here is the finished look. If this is helpful to you, let me know. If it ain't, let me know anyways. And thank you guys for watching once again. Today's my son's birthday, September 9th, and I'm just gonna go downstairs and throw him a little party. Tomorrow is the real deal though. Today is his birthday party because it's his birthday, but tomorrow, Saturday, I'll be doing something more special for him. But until we meet again, it ain't over until God says it's over. And thank you guys again for watching. Bye, and see you in my next video.